One of the most important differences between the two versions is that these two versions work with Zemi Smart Apple HomeKit ZigBee Hub. But the first version cannot be opened or closed through the Apple Home Application Kit. The second version works perfectly with the Apple HomeKit application. Compatibility with the Amazon Assistant. One of the most important differences between the two versions. The new version is fully compatible with the Amazon Assistant. We only have to enter the Alexa application and activate the password. Alexa will ask us for this password when asking to unlock the lock by voice commands, in addition to the possibility of activating the unlocking of the lock also through the Alexa app. Let's try to open the lock through the application and then through voice commands. Alexa, unlock front door.
What's your voice code for front door?
2580.
Unlocking. Hang on.
Unlocked.
The front door is locked.